Il est où ce petit con? Il est là. Nickel.
Impressive. You are no commoners. To continue this fight would be to incur greater losses than I can accept.
Their strength is almost spent. Finish them off. The core lapis is almost within our grasp.
Might I remind you that the Fatui's relationship with you extends to business matters only? I did not lend you my men to have them
J'avais soif.
stir up trouble at your beck and call.
What are you saying? Master, everything I did with only one thing in mind. To complete the order.
Then figure it out by yourself.
Don't go. Wait. Master, wait.
My lord, what are you doing here? Are you hurt?
Thanks to this valiant young woman, I am unscathed.
My lord?
Jeune maître.
You are the heir of the Feiyun Commerce Guild?
Indeed, my liege. I am Xing Cho, disciple of the Guhua clan and second son of the Feiyun Commerce Guild manager, and I make no secret of it.
Ah ouais.
Rats.
Comme ça.
Played like a fiddle.
Gentry Moutsai. Coercion and intimidation are hardly
Il sait
the
jouer de
attributes of a
nous aussi, hein.
respectable businessman. The problems that your business practices have created, I have sought to resolve through mine. I shudder to think what the Fatui will do with you if you fail to provide their core lapis.
You meddling swine. Well,
Since you asked Chang the Ninth for a discount of 70%, let's fight fire with fire, shall we? 3 times the market rate sounds fair, no?
how dare you subject me to such viciousness? This is a malicious and calculated attempt to run me into the ground.
Yes.
Deep breaths now. This is a simple decision. Will you buy or not?
Fine. Have it your way. I'll find the money somehow. Happy now?
On behalf of the Feiyun Commerce Guild, I thank you for your business and hope you will continue to do business with us in future.
J'ai une petite peau qui me fait mal. J'arrive pas à la couper.
Book reading Guhua geeking Xing Cho are the heir of the Feiyun Commerce Guild?
Ah, ça y est.
That massive stash of Mora you
Un
let us
petit
burn
bout.
through in a day? That was from your private vault?
'Twas but a paltry
Voilà.
sum. I got to make a very sound investment while putting Gentry Moutsai in his place. A classic 2 birds, 1 stone situation.
Surtout, tu me dis pas que je dois mettre mes lurks. C'est pas très cool, hein. Ah non, j'avais pas vu. J'avais pas vu du tout. Hop, attendez, je mets mon petit lurk parce que je suis une mauvaise vieweuse. Et j'ai reçu un message. Ok, j'ai reçu un sub. Magnifique. Tac. Qui l'eût cru? L'habit ne fait vraiment pas le moine.
You are too kind. You have valor in your heart, and that is worthy of admiration.
Yikes! Paimon's been calling you Guhua Geek this whole time. Paimon read in one of these martial artist novels that when rich heirs like you get angry at someone, you have their arms and legs chopped off.
Mais il va rien t'arriver.
I'm sorry, very sorry. Please don't hurt Paimon.
Calm down. Since you can fly, you hardly need your legs anyway.
Save me, save me. This is not a drill. Repeat, this is not a drill.
Il est clairement en train de
Jokes
plaisanter.
aside, I have the 2 of you to thank for this successful resolution. Really, you were a huge help. Meanwhile, Legend of the Shattered Halberd was positively riveting. Much obliged if you could return it to Chang the Ninth for me.
On doit encore faire une course pour vous?
I did nothing, and hence deserve
Je n'ai
none
rien
of
fait.
his gratitude. The 2 of you, meanwhile, though strangers to the circumstances, stepped in and saved the day. To have made such valiant and chivalrous friends is more than enough for me, my liege.
My lord, forgive the intrusion. It's about your father.
Please inform my father thusly. I have averted a disaster and earned a sizable sum of money in the process. Might this meritorious act compensate for my prior transgressions and earn me a few more days of freedom, perchance? Legend of the Shattered Halberd speaks of a domain that I should very much like to investigate.
For all your clever long words, the fact is you're just a lazy bones who doesn't want to work.
What if I told you that a reward awaits you at Cheng the Ninth's palace and
Du
not
coup, Mouton,
just
t'as
as
pas répondu, on
gratitude?
mange quoi ce soir?
A reward? Well, that sweetens the deal somewhat.
It seems whatever I say, there's
Je vais
no
me, prendre- je
persuading
vais
you
me
to
prendre un
stay.
vent pour changer. Vous auriez dit... vous auriez pu nous le dire plus tôt que vous étiez au service de Chinkyo.
Oh, I didn't realize you weren't aware.
Thank you in advance for returning the book for me. I will take my leave now. May we meet again, fellow merchants.
Yeah. Bye bye. Alors, déjà, on va récupérer les petits bidules. Non. Les petits insignes de pilleurs. On va récupérer le coffre.
Wow, these will come in handy.
Hop, on en profite vu qu'on a récupéré des trucs. Elle, on l'a mis niveau 42. On va passer à lui. Niveau supérieur, ajout automatique. Ah mince, ça augmente pas niveau complet. Tant pis. Il n'y a plus rien qui traînasse. Il n'y a plus rien qui traînasse. Alors, on va ramener le livre à son propriétaire. Ici. Mouton! Qu'est-ce qu'on mange ce soir? Je sais pas.
Finally,
Hein?
you're back. This morning, the pawnbroker
J'approuve.
showed up and gave me back my entire collection.
Je peux pas dire non à des
I'm
sushis,
positive
attendez,
that
vous
you
êtes
must
malade ou
be
bien?
behind this once again. Thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart.
On se fait engueuler par un pote, apparemment faut qu'on aille au Japon pour... on doit faire un effort pour manger les sushis, faut qu'on aille au Japon. Ah bah écoutez. La Twitch Money les gars. Je blague bien sûr, vous n'êtes obligés de rien. Rien que vous soyez là, c'est déjà beaucoup. Même si vous n'êtes pas très causant aujourd'hui. De rien, contente d'avoir pu vous aider.
Please don't say that. You have no idea how much this means to me. The Chang family was a prestigious household in Liyue back in the day. Unfortunately, after I took over the family's affairs as heir, a series of business setbacks devoured our fortune. Since then, I've
Non.
fought for years hoping to
Il a
restore
assez
the
donné,
house to
c'est
its
bon.
former glory. In the end, everything was riding on
Ça
this
suffit.
Orlapis deal. Were it not for you, this barren wasteland in the mountains would have become my
Ça
final
viendra
resting
petit à
place.
petit.
Wow, that's the second heir we've met in this town.
I'm sorry, what?
Nothing? Oh, here's your book back.
Wonderful. Legend of the Shattered Halberd. I was beginning to think that Guhua rascal had swindled me.
Do people really look down on the Guhua clan so much?
Actually, the art is centuries old and was once held in high esteem. But now it has faded beyond recognition. To instigate a revival, you need to
Allez.
inject some fresh blood, but it's hard to attract budding young talent to a dying art. And so, in any case,
Vas-y,
Guhua
tu
kids
causes
these
trop,
days.
copain.
Take that young rascal Xingqiu, for instance. For all his talk about repaying kindness with kindness and whatnot, what has he done to show for it? You're the ones who've displayed a genuine sense of responsibility.
Vous vous trompez à son sujet.
What does it matter? Anyway, you wanted the Liyue volume of the Teyvat Travel Guide, didn't you?
Ah,
Check
c'est
it for you.
gentil.
It's yours to keep. In
Merci.
addition, here is but a small token of appreciation for your
Merci
huge
beaucoup.
generosity.
Merci, on n'aura pas fait tout ça pour rien au bout du compte. J'avais presque oublié pourquoi on était
My
venu.
ore is sold and my treasured books have returned. I can't believe it.
Oh, un marque-page.
What?
What was that?
Qu'est-ce que
Paimon saw
c'était?
something fall out.
Oh, nothing. That little rascal. Surely.
Nickel. On a fini la petite quête. Alors, on a fini la petite quête. Maintenant, qu'est-ce qu'on a d'autre comme petite quête? Déjà, on a ça. Mais ça, franchement, je sais où ça va nous mener et j'ai pas forcément envie d'y aller. Donc, je propose qu'on continue la quête numéro 3. Enfin, le chapitre 1, acte 3 de la quête des archons. Ok, et on doit aller ici. Eh ben, on va aller là. Et techniquement, on devrait arriver au bon endroit. Je dis bien techniquement. Me dis pas qu'il y ait un gouffre entre nous et la montagne d'à côté. Mais bien sûr que si. C'est pas drôle sinon. Ah. Alors, déjà, on va casser des têtes. Encore. Ah, je suis morte. Attendez. Non, 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 non. J'aime bien, je dis je suis morte, mais c'est pas vraiment moi, mais c'est ok. Bonjour la statue. Est-ce que tu pourrais me soigner, s'il te plaît? Merci. Bonjour la statue. Je peux te parler? Alors, faire une offrande. Tout offrir. On gagne des points d'endurance. Et ça, on aime bien. Ça va la nettoyer un peu plus, non? Ok. Let's go. Ensuite, si je vais là plutôt. Je suis pas plus haut que l'autre montagne. Pas du tout. Je suis pas plus haut. Mais. Peut-être c'est mieux. M'bac qui est pas ça. Mouton a proposé qu'on mange sushi ce soir. Et on a un pote qui a dit ouais, faites un effort, mangez des sushis. Allez au Japon pour manger des sushis. J'ai fait ouais, bah Twitch Money. Hein. Et du coup, bah, apparemment, t'étais appelé. Mais j'ai pas besoin. C'est bon. T'as assez donné. Ça suffit. On se calme. On se calme. Tu te calmes. Bah, c'est justement lui qui a dit faites un effort. Il nous payera pas. Il nous payera pas le voyage. Je suis pas d'accord avec ça. Sérieux, objectif, t'as juste entendu Twitch Money, t'as dit ok, bah c'est pour Zim. N'importe quoi. N'importe quoi. Bon, Bichette, t'arrives en haut ou bien? C'est longuet cette histoire. C'est longuet cette histoire. C'est bon, elle est en haut. Mais est-ce qu'on est assez en haut? Coucou! C'est re-toi! Ah!
Look up there.
Oh,
It's the Jade Chamber.
la chambre de Jade. Comment faire pour y aller?
This is bad. Paimon's supposed to be your guide, but Paimon doesn't know where the way up to the Jade Chamber is.
C'est seulement maintenant que tu t'en rends compte?
Well, since we want to go to the Jade Chamber, heading to its location on the map is the sensible thing to do. Let's look around. There has to be a way up there nearby.
Je sens venir une couille. Mais une couille monumentale. Quand je dis monumentale... Oh non! Il est vivant. Bah oui, bien sûr. Par là, peut-être? Mais oui! C'était sûr.
Hey, look!
Il y a une
There's
espèce
some
de
sort of
mécanisme.
mechanism thingy. Since this is the right place, it must have something to do with the Jade Chamber.
Peut-être que c'est par ici. Peut-être que... C'est peut-être par ici qu'on y accède. Mon Dieu, mais je sais pas lire. Hein.
Be the way.
Je sais pas lire.
Windblade.
On n'arrive que jusqu'ici. Si seulement ce champ de vent était plus puissant, on pourrait atteindre le sommet. Entrons au port de Liu, on demandera aux 1000 élites. Pourquoi? Le moyen de monter là-haut ne doit pas être secret, sinon.
Oh, Paimon gets it. If it was a secret, Ganyu wouldn't have let us try to find it ourselves, right? All right, let's follow your plan. Then we can... Oh, hang on a moment. Look down there. Looks like we've gotten close to the Guizhong Ballista. Paimon has a new idea. Why don't we shoot you up to the Jade Chamber using the ballista?
Tu es ma mort, c'est ça?
No. Paimon may have just forgotten to think about the safety measures.
Mouais. Mais si mes souvenirs sont bons, la baliste a une visée grossissante. Oh!
Now that you mention it, we could use the Guizhong Ballista to see if there's another way up nearby.
Nickel, bah on va faire ça. Déjà, on va récupérer le petit coffre. Hein. Pas de raison. Oh, une hallebarde. Nice. Alors, c'est où la baliste? Je suis con ou quoi? Attends. Il me dit que ça m'a rapproché de la baliste de Guizhong, là. Mais in fine, je suis pas à la baliste de Guizhong du tout. Oh, so. Ah, là. Ok, attendez. Tac. Moi, ce que je veux, c'est lever. On va passer discrètement. Pas réveiller le machin en haut. Et on va descendre à la baliste. Bonjour les gardes. Il a dit qu'il était pauvre maintenant.
Who trespasses on these hallowed grounds?
Osez pénétrer, on ne fait que passer.
Exactly. What are you talking about? We're invited guests. What makes you think you can treat us like this? No. Wait. Maybe this was Ningguang's plan all along. She pretended to invite us to the Jade Chamber, but set up a Millelith ambush here to arrest us.
Ça m'étonnerait quand même.
Now Paimon's mad. You, over there. This is a trick, isn't it? How shameless.
What? We're just on guard duty. What do you mean, shameless?
What nonsense! Seize these suspicious intruders at once!
Well, here they come.
Oh, je vais devoir leur taper dessus. Mais ils ont l'air sympas. C'est quand même la police. C'est nul.
Windblade.
Who goes there? Take the target alive!
Prepare to be blown away.
Take this! Bastard! To arms! Take the target alive!
No one escapes my sights.
You're in for a little shock. Come a little closer. You've been a naughty boy.
Lithic Triad!
C'est bon? Bah, c'était facile.
Stop! What's all this about?
Lady Kuching, these two strange people suddenly appeared. They seem to have designs on the Guizhong Ballista.
Who are you calling strange?
On ne fait que chercher le chemin menant à la chambre de Jade.
You want to go to the Jade Chamber?
Oh, elle est
Who are you?
cute.
We're invited guests here to look for the Liyue Qixing. Who are you?
Elle
Well,
est très mignonne.
as it happens, I am one of the Liyue Qixing.
Oh,
Pardon?
I'm Kuching, the Yuhong of the Qixing. I know of you,
Bonjour,
traveler.
madame.
You're Ningguang's guest, yes? Didn't expect to meet you here in the mountains.
Bah ouais, mais on cherche le chemin.
Paimon didn't think we'd meet some super rich big shot out here in the middle of nowhere either.
The Guizhong Ballista in Tianhang Pass has long been in disrepair, and yet it was fixed in a single night. I came here to investigate.
Bah, y a pas grand chose à comprendre, c'est moi qui l'ai réparé.
To guard the scene, not to arrest anyone.
So this was all a misunderstanding? Paimon never would have thought.
N'importe qui aurait pu le deviner, Paimon.
Anyway, for a mortal to be able to repair an adepti mechanism is quite the mystery, even to the Qixing.
Mais c'est moi qui l'ai réparé.
That was... Huh? Oh, right. So, Lady Yuhong, might you have any idea why Lady Tianquan invited us to go to the Jade Chamber?
Just call me Kuching. I'd say that Ningguang's purpose is to request that the savior of Mondstadt take a more neutral stance. Or at least, to not wholly side with the Adepti.
We're not taking sides. We spoke with the Adepti. They want to protect Liyue as well.
When you say protect, you mean their sanctimonious arrogance, don't you?
Huh?
You're
Mhm.
mortals, and thus, under their protection. There was no way they would have regarded you as someone with the ability to assassinate a god. Naturally, They would also regard Ningguang's locking down the
C'est
area,
bizarre, c'est bizarre.
questioning the citizenry, and pursuit of the assassin to be pointless work.
Mais non.
I'll say it plain. They're underestimating us.
Ah, peut-être.
You've got a point there. Still, this is the first time Paimon's seen a person from Liyue who doesn't respect the gods or the
Attends, je
Adepti.
crève la dalle.
Should I
Terrible.
respect the shallow sense of
J'ai
time
plus
and
d'émotion,
condescension
loser.
of mortals that has caused them to delay in
Comment ça,
moving to
d'émotion?
Plus
D'émote
Teaching?
plutôt, non?
Forget
J'ai
it.
plus d'émote, loser.
I shouldn't
Ouais,
think
Mouton,
this way
le
this way.
correcteur automatique du
This
téléphone, il
skepticism is
est
mine
violent.
alone,
Hein.
and Ningguang does not share it. Either way, I will admit that the actions of the Adepti this time were
J'en
quite
ferai
frustrating.
une. Mettez-le dans
Let's drop
suggestions
this
sur
death is indeed an
Discord.
extraordinary
Je ferai une
circumstance,
jolie petite
but to think that they would call for a
petite
council
émote
of Adepti rather than
loser.
come down here directly. How
Loser.
surprisingly civilized of them.
Alors la paix reste négociable.
Well, for Ningguang, that woman would talk anything and everything out if she could. But I doubt we can do that here. The time of the Adepti is long past.
Vous saviez qu'on pouvait avoir des courbatures dans les doigts?
Then what future is there for Liyue?
Bah j'ai des courbatures dans les doigts.
Another super bold statement.
Mais non.
I'll stop here. Honestly, I hadn't intended to say so much. But you're a good listener, traveler. You should both be off to the Jade Chamber.
Ah, ça on entend.
Don't be late now.
Je vais voir jusqu'où mon micro captait.
The cream of Liyue's mercantile crop, I'll see ascending to the Jade Chamber as the greatest honor.
D'accord.
Ever?
Mais du coup, paiement, ce n'est pas le plus important. Mais il n'y a pas de but.
Wait, that's right. Greeting gifts are a staple of Liyue's culture. We need to get one. Not to curry favor or anything, just to respect Liyue's culture.
Tu fais bien preuve de déférence tout à coup.
All right. You can decide on your greeting gift yourselves. Let me
Mais
tell you
du
how
coup,
to get to the Jade
est-ce que
Chamber
tu as une
first.
petite idée du
You
cadeau qu'on
didn't
pourrait
actually
lui
have to
acheter?
come to Mount Tianheng. Go back to Liyue Harbor, find a guide at the Yuehai Pavilion, and well then, may we meet again, traveler.
Well, that Yuheng may not respect the gods, but Paimon thinks she's a pretty cool person.
Moi aussi, elle m'a laissé une assez bonne impression. Je lisais le deuxième message, donc forcément mes yeux, ils...
Ningguang when we see her.
Décidément, cette histoire de cadeau te travaille.
Oh, right.
J'ai arrivé
Paimon
d'un
dreamed
dessert
an
super
amazing
bon
food
hier,
last
des
night.
blobs
She was
confits.
supposed to
Berk.
slime. Paimon has a feeling that it would be perfect for a super rich person like Ningguang. Why don't we go with that for a gift?
Tu as la recette?
But Paimon's sure that we just need to make it with some boom shakalaka.
Of
Fun
course.
ingredients. Time waits for no one, and neither will our riches.
Bon. Les matériaux dont Paimon a besoin. Eh ben écoutez, on va faire ça, hein? C'est très bien. J'aime bien la musique. Franchement, les musiques dans le jeu, elles sont trop chouettes. Je les aime beaucoup. Et merde. Qu'est-ce que j'ai réveillé? Oh, des petits machins.
Ooh, look at that slime. It looks crystal clear and very delicious. That's the one.
Je continue, hein. M'en fous, ils vont me lâcher au bout d'un moment. Je le sais. Hop. C'est moi où ça sent bon par ici? Bah dis donc. Mais dis donc.
Did you hear that?
Je crois que quelqu'un appelle à l'aide.
Seems like it came from those ruins
Oh, super. On va devoir aider
Looks
des
like the
gens.
treasure hoarders have locked someone inside.
Comme si c'était pas totalement le but du jeu. Aider des gens pour être aidé ensuite.
There's no end to this.
Allez, dégage. Toi.
Windblade.
T'es chiant un peu, machin, là. Je veux pas mourir? Voilà, merci.
Prepare to be blown away.
The hunter becomes the hunted.
Bonjour, monsieur. Comment ça va?
Thank you for your help, kind travelers. If you hadn't come to my aid, I surely would have rotted in this cell. Those treasure hoarders, when their mood was good, they'd rearrange those pots of sweet flowers. When they were in a bad mood, they'd rearrange my face.
Aw, it was nothing. No need to thank us all at once or anything.
I understand. Don't worry, I will compensate you both.
Ce n'est pas la peine, vraiment.
Say that. I only escaped this predicament because of you. I'm Meng Dan, a supplier for Mingxing Jewelry in Liyue Harbor. I often walk around these mountains in search of antiques. I never expected that those treasure hoarders would have their eyes on the same ruins that I had. Before I knew it, they'd caught and imprisoned me. Is there anything that you lack? Antiques, treasure, various knickknacks, you name it. Well, as long as you want what I have.
Votre bonne volonté me suffit.
Wait a moment. Actually, we are looking for something.
Oh? And what might that be?
Do you have a box that can store presents? We'd like a pretty one. The kind that you can use to store snacks.
Of course we do. How can one sell antiques without gift boxes? At Mingxing Jewelry, we have the best gift wrapping service in the 7 nations.
Donne.
Now just give me a moment and I'll let the boss know. You can go see her whenever you require that box.
Parfait. On fera ça alors.
Paimon sugar frosted slime now comes in a beautiful package.
Rendez-vous à la bijouterie. Eh ben, allons à la bijouterie. C'est par où? C'est par là. Moi, je suis une feignante. Mais je suis une feignante qui veut voler. J'adore. J'adore voler. C'est trop chouette. Savoir que dans la vraie vie, j'ai le vertige. Donc bon, là, ça me permet de voler sans avoir le vertige. Oui. Et en bas. C'est en bas ou en bas? C'est en bas. Bonjour ma petite dame. Xingxi. Bonjour Xingxi.
There, a guy called Meng Dan told us that we could get a nice and shiny box from your store.
Uncle Meng already told me about it. Thank you both for saving him. Many of the best goods in our store were found by Uncle Meng. If anything were to happen to him, it would be impossible.
C'est joli les épingles pour les cheveux là.
Here, this container is itself an antique, with at least 140 years of history. It's already been cleaned. Will it do?
Yep. It's great.
Parfait.
Hang on a moment. Could we borrow one other thing?
Sure. Please help yourselves. As long as it's on our shelves.
Traveler, this clay pot looks really awesome. If we use an antique as our mixing bowl, we should be able to make a great snack. It's done! The one and only sugar-frosted slime! Carefully now. Into the box it goes and dust it over with a bit more powdered sugar.
Oh, yes. You might want to use these 2 freshly picked flowers as decorations too.
Woohoo! It looks beautiful!
Ah. C'est joli dans la boîte comme ça. J'ai un truc dans l'œil. Je sais pas si je le mangerai, mais c'est joli. Je ne suis pas... je ne suis toujours pas sûre pour cette idée de cadeau.
Now that we've put all that we've got into this box, let's go to the Jade Chamber to see Ningguang.
Magnifique. On arrive. Est-ce que vous êtes prêts à arriver? Bleu bon sucre. Miam miam. Ça a l'air un peu crado quand même. Il faut que je monte là? Comment que je fais? Mince, c'était V que je voulais. Attendez. Moi, je sens que je suis en train de me faire un peu couillonner, là. Ça va plus vite comme ça. Regardez. Hop. On va faire ça comme il faut, hein. Ouais, dis donc, ça en fait des millilitres. Bonjour, monsieur. Bonjour, messieurs. Bonjour, le guide. Bouyoun. Bonjour, Bouyoun.
Kuching, this is... Excuse me, do you sell the moon here?
Yes. How many would you like?
It's not convenient to speak of numbers here.
Ah, well said. Please, use this to ascend to the chamber. Yes, speaking of which, are you two the guests that Lady Ningguang has arranged to meet with today?
I am.
Yep.
And yet the code they used was not the one for guests, but for the Yuheng. What's going on here?
Oh. On n'avait pas la réponse. On avait peut-être la réponse dans la lettre et on n'a pas compris. Donc on nous demande d'aller à la chambre de Jade. Au final, on se retrouve là où l'archon a été tué.
I've been waiting for you, returnee from Joyun Karst.
It's Ningguang. Since this is our first meeting, we've prepared a gift. I hope you like it.
Oh.
Le plan de jambe, le plan jambe, faut se calmer MDR. Bah, c'est joli, mais bon, tu sais, c'est toujours un truc, c'est toujours un jeu fait pour les mecs. Hein. Alors, cet endroit est magnifique. Salut Jenny. Boobs. Ouais, c'est Miss Boobs. C'est pas la pire. C'est pas la pire, je trouve. La pire, là, on va rencontrer bientôt, normalement, c'est Beidou. Beidou, elle a une sacrée... Comment que ça va? Mais comment que ça va toi? Moi, ça va bien. Hop. Tac. Nickel, nickel. Ah bah, c'est bien. C'est bien, c'est bien. Alors, cette maigresse est sacrément ambitieuse. Oh, j'ai des courbatures.
As such, I have been putting eyes and ears out ever since you reached Liyue.
Of course.
And I finally got wind of your movements when you were on the way to Wangshu Inn.
Wait, was Goldet one of your people?
Moi, je vous dis au revoir. Je vais manger, puis dodo. Je dois reprendre le rythme. Oula. Ah oui, bah alors bonne app et dors bien. Bonne nuit. À demain. Peut-être. Toujours à 15h, bien sûr. Nous avons rencontré l'Aliot il n'y a pas longtemps.
At the Guizhang Ballista, yes?
À demain!
You weren't peeking on us from the skies the whole time, were you?
I fear that peeking would have been a little difficult from this altitude.
Ça marche, Jenny!
Eyes and ears are more
À
than
plus!
sufficient. You two are very interesting people, after all.
Mm,
It
d'ap-
would be natural to take an interest.
D'après Kitching, les 7 étoiles n'ont rien à voir avec l'affaire de meurtre.
Well, I wouldn't expect you to trust us, considering that you have had far more interactions with the Adepti. The reason I invited you here was to clear up some misunderstandings.
Bah madame, reste là.
I believe that you've heard of the Archon War.
J'imagine que vous avez entendu parler de la guerre des Archons, vaguement.
Many gods used to walk this earth, and many long wars were fought between them that did not abate until 2,000 years ago. Much blood was shed, and many lives were lost. In the end, only 7 victors remained standing in Teyvat. They built cities and nations on the corpses of the vanquished, and thus began the era of the 7.
Mhm.
You can see Goyun Stone Forest from here, I trust. It is no natural rock formation. Those are giant spears of rock hurled by Rex Lapis during the war.
Ah bah super.
Beneath the spears lie those cast down
Il
by
était
Rex Lapis
fâché,
in
dis
those
donc.
days, gods that failed to seize the title of Archon. Not only is it true that gods may die, but so too has the membership of the 7 changed over the last 2 millennia. Rex Lapis's passing is an unimaginable disaster for Liyue, but the Order of the 7 will not collapse simply because of that. Another Lord of Geo will arise sooner or later. Yet, how are we to forget Rex Lapis? When that time comes, the relationship between the people of Liyue and the gods and Adepti will surely be different from before. Even in a new era, the Liyue Qixing remain Rex Lapis's former subjects. Do you really think us capable of